What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're obviously working on the Harley. You saw in one of my last Harley videos, I installed this LED factory Mart headlight that has the white halo around it. And today we have the matching accessory, fog, runner lights, whatever you want to call them, with the halo. So my goal here is to kind of do a little bit of custom wiring. We already have a little bit of custom wiring, but my goal here is to wire this thing up so I can hit a switch and then all of the halos are on and the actual lights themselves are off, kind of like an accessory mode type deal, you know? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's gonna take me a little bit of figuring out. I've got some wiring diagrams printed out of these wires. So I'm just gonna be messing around a little bit and I'll update you guys as I go. All right, guys, so little mid-install check-in. Not gonna lie, I'm wanting this video to be more simple and like straightforward, so I'm not recording every single detail. But I wanted to show you my progress. So I've been racking my brain with this wiring. I'm just coming up with it myself. Now, don't judge my wire choice. I used some leftover wire I had laying around. Ideally, I would have loved to keep the OEM colors the same. I almost ordered 4 separate colors of wire, but I'm like, you know what, screw it. That's a waste of money, kind of, and I've got wire. So don't judge that. And I do still have to clean up the wire, finish some soldering, this and that, but check this out. So I've got this switch wired here that we're gonna mount on our tin. It's completely plug and play. That way I can unplug it when I pull the tins off. I can unplug these 2 lights separate, so everything can be pulled off separately. But if we go ahead, turn our ignition on right here, you can tell that our lights are on. Now, check this out. If we hit this switch here, which you can tell is lit up, hit it to where it's off, we now only have the halos, which the small halo is very bright, so it's a little difficult to see. Wonder if I can, so you can kind of tell there. It looks better off camera. This halo is still a lot brighter than this halo, but Off camera, you can tell that it is definitely a halo, and I think it looks amazing. So now if I flip the switch back here, headlights, you know, so there we go. Now I'm gonna continue going on this thing. We're pretty much done with one side. As you can tell, I have to do the other side, but good to go. All right, guys, we finally got that wrapped up. I have been on several rides with the new setup. I wanted to test it out before I shot the complete outro of this video, but overall, I'm loving it. So I kind of showed you, but here's the lights, and they are kind of hard to see through the camera, but if we turn the lights off, it does actually make a big difference in person, and I think it looks pretty sick. So when I'm just kind of riding around in the daytime, or I'm sitting at like a show or bike night, this is how I'll have it sitting. But at nighttime, obviously you want full light. So here's our switch. Now we have full lighting. These lights are super bright. One thing that I did do is when I was riding it, this wire got pinched between the steering stop and the frame. So I had to redo those wires and zip tie it up. So hopefully it's up just enough to where it does not get pinched in there. But overall, I love these lights. These LED factory lights seem to be very, very nice, good quality, and I am going to keep using them on hopefully all of my vehicles. So anyway, that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.